Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can create a calendar using Google Sheets. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Google Sheets. I'm going to open it with my computer. So here I have opened my Google and we can go to the Google Apps and select the Sheets. If you want to open Google Sheets on your mobile phone, you need to download the Google Sheets app from Play Store or Apple Store if you are iOS user. And now the Google Sheets has been opened guys, and if we want to create calendar, we can use template from Google Sheets. You can go to the template gallery and here you'll be able to get a lot of templates from Google Sheets. And since we want to create calendar, we can select annual calendar. Okay, and we can customize the calendar according to our style. You can change the color if you want. You just need to customize it, and then if you want to get the monthly calendar, you can move to other sheets like this. Okay, and you can customize it by yourself. Okay, I'm using this template. The process will be faster and easier because you don't need to create it manually. You just need to use the template and the calendar will be created automatically. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create a calendar in Google Sheets. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!